Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear children, here is a story for you. A very new, different and unique story. Let's start it. Oh no! How will I write now? Huria said, worried. What happened, Huria? Amna came and asked her. I am searching for my pencil. It was here, but now I don't know. Where is it? Huria said. It's okay, we will search it. Have you seen in your bag? Maybe you put it there? No, it was here on table. Now how will I complete my mathematics work? Break time is going to be over and my work is left. You can take my pencil. I have 2 pencils right now. Oh, JazakAllah, khaira. Huria said, pleased. Barakallah, Amna replied. Huria took Amna's pencil and completed her work. Huria, touch your head from back, there's something. Amna said, hiding her smile. What? Huria touched her head. Oh, my pencil, she said. Both friends smiled and Huria gave Amna's pencil back with thanks. Dear children, have you ever faced such problem?